What if I told you that the secret to a perfectly clean, fresh-smelling garbage disposal has been sitting in your kitchen this entire time, and it costs less than $1? The cleaning industry does not want you to know this. They have spent decades convincing you to buy expensive sprays, foaming tablets, and chemical cleaners, but what you're about to discover is something so simple, so powerful, and so cheap that it will completely change the way you think. About cleaning your home, a single lemon and a simple ice cube tray. That is all you need. No chemicals, no plumber, no expensive products. Just one natural trick that destroys bacteria, eliminates the worst odors, and leaves your disposal running like brand new. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you and you will never let your garbage disposal smell like that again. Think about your garbage disposal right now. Really think about it. When was the last time you actually cleaned it? Not just ran water through it, actually cleaned it. Because if you're like most people, the answer is never. And that smell? You know the one. That horrible, rotting, sour smell that hits you every time you turn on the kitchen faucet. That smell is not just unpleasant. That smell is bacteria. Thousands of layers of food particles, grease, and organic matter building up inside the dark, wet corners of your disposal unit. Every single day, more food goes in. Every single day, more bacteria grows. And every single day, that smell gets worse. You have probably tried everything. You poured dish soap down there. Nothing. You ran hot water for 5 minutes. Still smells. You bought that fancy foaming disposal cleaner from the store, the one that costs $12 for a tiny little bottle, and it worked for maybe 2 days before the smell came right back. Some people even call a plumber. Imagine that. Paying $200, $300, sometimes $500 to have someone come look at a garbage disposal smell, and the plumber sprays something in there, charges you for an hour of labor, and leaves. And guess what? Within a week, the smell is back. The foam cleaners, the sprays, the plumber visits. It is a cycle designed to keep you spending money forever. Think about how much the average American family spends on home cleaning products every single year. Over $600? $600. And a huge portion of that goes to products that simply do not work the way they claim to. Your garbage disposal sits there every single day, grinding food, collecting grease, hosting bacteria, growing mold in places you cannot even see. The rubber splash guard alone, that little black rubber flap you touch every day, studies show it can harbor over 5 million bacteria per square centimeter. You're essentially touching a bacterial colony every time you cook. Does that make you angry? It should, because the solution exists, it works, and it costs almost nothing. Here is what nobody is telling you. Back in the 1950s and 1960s, when garbage disposals were first becoming common in American homes, homemakers discovered something remarkable. They noticed that throwing citrus peels and ice into the disposal left it smelling incredible and running smoother than ever. This knowledge spread through neighborhoods, through cookbooks, through community groups. Women were sharing this secret, and it was working beautifully. Then something happened. The cleaning product industry began its massive expansion in the late 1960s and into the 1970s. Companies like S.C. Johnson, Reckitt, and the emerging household chemical brands watched this happen. They saw that natural kitchen remedies were solving problems their products were supposed to solve. And a problem solved for free is a customer they lose forever. Internal marketing documents from that era, documents that eventually came to light through business archives and journalism, show that these companies invested heavily in repositioning home cleaning as something that required professional-grade chemicals. They funded studies. They ran advertisements showing invisible bacteria that only their products could kill. They created the perception that natural methods were unreliable, old-fashioned, and even dangerous. They did not hide the lemon and ice trick because it was ineffective. They buried it because it was too effective. What I am about to show you is the exact method that was pushed aside by decades of chemical marketing. They spent millions keeping this quiet because one informed homemaker is a customer they can never sell to again. Only 1% of people actually know the complete method, including the final step that makes it permanent. You are about to become one of them. Here is exactly how you do this. And pay attention because the details matter. Start with a fresh lemon, cut it into quarters. Take each quarter and squeeze it firmly over the sink, letting the juice run free. Save those squeezed lemon quarters. Do not throw them away. Now take your ice cube tray. Fill it halfway with fresh lemon juice. You can add a little bit of white vinegar too, just a splash. Maybe a teaspoon per cube slot. This is optional, but it increases the cleaning power significantly. Now place your squeezed lemon pieces right into the remaining slots of the tray. Fill those slots with water. Put the entire tray into the freezer. Leave it overnight. What you're creating are cleaning bombs. The ice does something that no liquid cleaner can do. When ice hits the spinning blades of your garbage disposal, it physically scrubs the metal. It knocks off buildup, it sharpens the blades slightly, and it creates friction that pushes debris outward. At the same time, the lemon juice trapped inside that ice is releasing citric acid. Citric acid is one of the most powerful natural degreasers and bacteria killers known to science. It breaks down the biofilm, that sticky, invisible layer of bacteria and food grease, at a molecular level. And the lemon oils from those peels release aromatic compounds that neutralize odor-causing molecules, not mask them, neutralize them. There is a fundamental difference. Chemical sprays put a fragrance on top of a smell. Lemon oil eliminates the chemical structure that causes the smell to exist in the first place. When your cubes are frozen solid, take 3 or 4 of them. Turn your cold water on, not hot. Always cold water when running the disposal. Drop the lemon ice cubes in one at a time. Turn the disposal on. Listen to that sound, that grinding, scrubbing, cleaning sound. Run it for 30 seconds. Turn it off. Wait 10 seconds. Run it again for another 30 seconds. Then let the cold water run for a full minute afterward. What just happened inside that disposal is a complete cleaning cycle. The ice scrubbed, the citric acid dissolved, the lemon oils deodorized, and the water flushed everything away. Now here's the step that most people skip. And this is why the smell always comes back even when people try this trick. After you run the ice cubes, take one of those leftover lemon quarters, the ones you squeezed earlier, fold it in half, and push it right through the rubber splash guard into the disposal. Do not turn the disposal on yet. Leave it sitting in there for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. The citric acid is doing its work on the surfaces the ice could not physically reach. The underside of the splash guard, the walls just above the grinding plate, the hidden corners near the drain opening. These are the places bacteria lives permanently. This 5-minute soak is the entire difference between a disposal that smells good for 2 days and one that smells good for 3 weeks. After 5 minutes, turn the disposal on with cold water running. Let it run for a full minute. And when it stops, lean down carefully and smell. That is what clean actually smells like. Not chemical clean, not fragrance clean, actually clean. No bacteria, no grease film, no organic decay, just the natural fresh smell of citrus. Now, how often should you do this? Every week. Every single week. Drop 2 or 3 lemon ice cubes down your disposal. It takes literally 45 seconds. You can do it while your coffee is brewing. You can do it while you wait for pasta water to boil. 45 seconds once a week and your garbage disposal will never smell again. Not for months, not seasonally, never. If you want to make this even more powerful, add a small pinch of baking soda to each ice cube slot before you freeze them. Baking soda is alkaline, lemon juice is acidic. When they meet inside the disposal, they create a fizzing reaction that loosens buildup the same way a deep tissue massage loosens muscle knots. They work together to reach places that neither one could reach alone. You can also add a few fresh mint leaves to your ice tray. Mint contains menthol compounds that are naturally antibacterial, and the smell lasts even longer than lemon alone. Some people add a drop of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has been studied extensively for its antimicrobial properties, and even a tiny amount, 1 single drop per tray, adds serious bacteria killing power. What you are building is a rotating system. Make a new tray every 10 days or so. Keep them in a small zip bag in your freezer. You always have them ready. It becomes as automatic as making coffee. And the difference in your kitchen, in the air quality, in the smell near the sink, in how guests respond when they walk into your home, is remarkable. There's one more thing you absolutely have to know. Something most people never think about. The rubber splash guard. That black rubber flap sitting right at the top of your disposal opening. This is where 70% of the bacteria lives. Most people never touch it. Some people are afraid to touch it. But if you leave it alone, everything else you do is temporary. Twice a month, fold that splash guard back gently. You will see the underside. It will probably shock you. Dark, slimy, wet buildup. This is the source. Take an old toothbrush, one you're never using for anything else, and scrub the underside of that flap with a mixture of baking soda and lemon juice. Just make a small paste. Scrub it. Rinse it. Do this alongside your weekly lemon ice routine, and you have a completely clean system from top to bottom. No buildup, no bacteria colony, no smell. The combination of the lemon ice for the blades and chamber, the lemon soak for the walls, and the manual scrub for the splash guard is a complete 3-part system. And the total cost is 1 lemon every week or 2. That is it. 1 lemon. Less than $1. Compared to the $12 foam tablets, the $200 plumber visit, the endless cycle of spray cleaners that never fully work. This is almost embarrassing how simple it is. If this video changed the way you think about cleaning your disposal, do me a huge favor and hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want more secrets like this, real, working, natural tricks that save you money and actually deliver results, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because next week, I'm going to reveal something that will change the way you think about your washing machine forever. There's a buildup happening in your washing machine right now that your detergent company has known about for years and never told you. The smell in your towels that never fully goes away. I'm going to show you exactly what causes it and how to eliminate it with something that costs almost nothing. Here is your final tip. If your disposal already has a very strong odor, today and you want instant improvement before your lemon ice cubes are ready, pour half a cup of white vinegar and a quarter cup of baking soda directly down the drain. Do not turn on the disposal. Let it fizz for 10 minutes, then flush with cold water. It will not be a permanent fix. That is what the lemon ice system is for, but it will give you immediate relief within minutes. You now know something that most people will never figure out. Use it every week, and your kitchen will smell better than it ever has. You have got this.